Okay, good morning, students. Now, let us discuss speed and velocity. In yesterday class, we discussed about distance and displacement. Now, we learn about speed and velocity. Speed. What is meant by speed? Speed. Simply distance traveled by a body in a given interval of time, that is called speed. Distance traveled by a body, distance traveled by a body in a given interval of time, distance traveled by a body in a given time is nothing but speed. Simply is nothing but speed. Speed is it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Actually, what is meant by scalar? It is a physical quantity having only magnitude, there is no direction. So, speed is a scalar quantity because of distance is a scalar. Distance is a scalar. So, now speed is a scalar quantity. Simply, students, speed nothing but distance by time taken. How to calculate distance by time? Distance by time taken. So is nothing but speed. So like this, speed v is equal to distance d by time t. In SI system, distance SI unit is meter, second SI unit is second. Time SI unit is second. So speed is equal to distance by time in meter per second. SI unit is meter per second. CGS unit is what? In CGS system, centimeter per second. In CGS system, centimeter per second. Okay. SI system meter per second, CGS system. CGS system is what? Centimeter, gram, second system. In CGS system, unit of speed is centimeter per second. In SI system, meter per second. SI system, meter per second. Okay. So, is simply speed. What is meant by speed? Distance traveled by a body in a given interval of time is nothing but speed. So, mathematically, how to calculate? Speed is equal to distance by time taken. So, speed v is equal to, it represented by letter v is equal to, so distance by time. V or S, whatever it. So, v is equal to distance by time. So, that is meter per second. In CG system, centimeter per second. Okay. Suppose, dear students, suppose the body moving with a certain speed in kilometer per hour. Suppose 1 kilometer per hour is equal to speed of the body is 1 kilometer per hour. Suppose speed is kilometer per hour. How to convert meter per second? This is kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to how many meter per seconds? How many meter per seconds? 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters divided by hour is equal to 60 minutes into 60 seconds. 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So ultimately this is seconds. This is meters. 1 kilometer equal to what? 1000 meters. 1 hour equal to what? 60 into 60 seconds. 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So 0, 0 cancel out. 0, 0 also cancel out, students. So 2 5s are 2 3s are. So 5 by 18 meter per seconds. Okay. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to what? 5 by 18 meter per seconds. This is the important one. To solve the, it is useful for to solve the numerical problems. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 8 meter per 5 by 18 5 by 18 meter per seconds. Okay, this is the speed. Now uniform speed. Uniform speed, students. Uniform speed. If the body is said to be uniform speed, the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. That is nothing but uniform speed, students. So this is the one important one. Uniform speed is nothing but body covers equal distances in a equal interval of time. Equal intervals of time. That is nothing but uniform speed. Body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. That is nothing but uniform speed. That is nothing but uniform speed. So dear students, suppose let us consider a body. Initially at A, of course, so time interval t is equal to 0 seconds. Time interval t is equal to what? 0 seconds. So body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. It covers, after 1 second, it covers 5 meter. Next 1 second, it covers same 5 meter. Next 1 second, it covers 5 meters. So let us consider a body initially at A. After 1 second, it covers 5 meter. After 1 second, it covers 5 meter. Again, after 1 second, it covers same 5 meter. So body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Equal distances in equal interval of time. That is nothing but simply uniform speed. That is nothing but uniform speed. If the body is said to be uniform speed, the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Equal distances in the equal interval of time. See, dear students, graphically like this. Graphically, see, this is the time on x-axis. I will take time on x-axis and speed on y-axis, like this. Speed on y-axis. Okay. See, so this is 1 second, this is 0 second, this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. This is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20. Okay, so it is a straight line. It is a straight line. So this is not the speed, this is distance. Okay, this is distance. Yes, sir. Meters. So it is a straight line. The body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Equal distances in equal interval of time. So, see dear students, it travels 5 meter in 1 second. Next, like this. Next 1 second, like this, 10 meter. Next 1 meter, like this, that is 15 meter. Same. So 1 second it travels 5 meter. Next 1 second it travels 5 meter. Next 1 second it travels 5 meter. Same. So that is body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Equal distances in equal interval of time. That is nothing but uniform speed. That is nothing but what? Uniform speed. Okay, students? SI unit meter per second. SI unit is what? Meter per second. Now, variable speed. Variable speed. Variable speed. Non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. The body covers equal distances in unequal interval of times, or the body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. That is nothing but non-uniform speed or variable speed. Non-uniform speed or variable speed. Variable speed. Okay. Non-uniform speed or variable speed is what? The body, simply the body covers unequal distances, unequal distances in a equal interval of time. Equal intervals of time. That is nothing but simply the body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. That is non-uniform speed or variable speed. See, dear students, suppose let us consider a vehicle or body, whatever it, initially at A. After 1 second, it travels 5 meters. Next 1 second, it travels. Next 1 second, it travels just 2 meters. That is total of course or 7 meters. Whatever, different. So let us consider a body initially at A. After 1 second, it travels 5 meters. Next 1 second, it travels 7 meters. Next 1 second, it travels 10 meters. Next 1 second, it travels 10 meters. Okay, see, dear students, next 1 second, it travels 15 meters. So, see this body, if the body is said to be non-uniform speed, body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. That is nothing but non-uniform speed or variable speed. So, 1 second లో 5 మీటర్ వెళ్ళిందనా, నెక్స్ట్ 1 సెకండ్ లో ఎంత వెళ్ళింది? 7 మీటర్స్ వెళ్ళింది. నెక్స్ట్ 1 సెకండ్ లో 10 మీటర్స్ వెళ్ళింది. నెక్స్ట్ 1 సెకండ్ లో 15 మీటర్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేసింది. సో బాడీ కవర్స్ unequal distances in equal interval of time. So that is the non-uniform speed. See, graphically like this, this is distance in meters, y-axis, this is origin, this is the time in seconds, this is the x-axis. See, dear students, this is suppose 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 1 second it travels 5 meters. Next 1 second it travels like this. Suppose this is 10, of course this is 7. Okay, see this graph. That is the graph. Okay. See, dear students, non-uniform speed means a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. Unequal distances in a equal interval of time. So that is nothing but non-uniform speed. So graphically like this. Graphically like this. Now, next one. Next one. Next one. So next one is average speed. Average speed. So what is meant by average speed? Simply total distance traveled by body in total time taken. So that is average speed means if the body is said to be average speed, total distance traveled by the body to that total time taken is nothing but average. Average. See dear students, suppose so total distance by total time taken. Simply the ratio of total distance traveled by the body, total distance traveled by the body to that total time taken. Total time. Ratio of total distance traveled by the body to that total time taken. Total time taken is nothing but average speed. So this is nothing but average speed. The ratio of total distance traveled by the body to that total time taken is nothing but simply average speed. See, average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Total time. Suppose, dear students, let us consider a body. So let us consider a body. Initially at A. Okay. After 1 second, it travels 5 meters. Okay. Next 1 second, it travels 6 meters. Next 1 second, it travels 10 meters. Next 1 second, it travels 20 meters. It travels 20 meters. So total distance by total time taken is nothing but average speed. How to calculate average speed? Average speed, V average is equal to S1 plus distance, S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 divided by T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. That is equal to S1 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 20 divided by time intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4. Okay. See, this is the average speed. Average speed. So total distance traveled by the body to that total time taken is nothing but average speed. In SI system, what? Meter per second. So speed is a scalar quantity. It's having only magnitude. There is no direction. Okay. So that is the average speed. Okay. Now suppose average speed are different speeds in different cases. Body covering, dear students, body covering different distances with different speeds. How to calculate the average speed? This is one case. Body covering different distances with different speeds. See, dear students, let us consider a body. So initially at A, after some time, it covering a distance of S1 with a speed V1. Similarly, after some time, this is time T1, after some time T2, it covering a distance S2 with a speed V2. Now, time taken by the body, to cover a distance, to covering a distance, S1 is T1 is equal to S1 by V1. Similarly, T2 is equal to S2 by V2 students. S2 by V2. Okay. So now, average speed is equal to what? Average speed V is equal to total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. So average speed V average is equal to total distance is what? S1 plus S2. S1 plus S2. All divided by total time is what? Total time T1 plus T2. So S1 plus S2 by T1. S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. S2 by V2 students. Okay. This is the average speed. This is the average speed. So S1 plus S2 divided by S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. T1, T2 values. T1, T2 values. Okay. Now suppose if S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S. Both are, it covers equal distances in different speeds. If S1 is equal to S2 is equal to yes, then V average is equal to what? S1 plus S2 is nothing but S. S plus S, 2S divided by, so S by V1 plus S by V2. S by V2. Okay. Now students, see V average is equal to 2S by S common nana 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. S cancel out. Now 2 divided by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. So V average is equal to LCM 2 divided by V1 V2 is the LCM. Now V1 plus V2. Finally 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. So this is the very most important formula. So body covering different distances with different speeds like this. This is the basic formula. Suppose if S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S, రెండు కూడా ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్సెస్ కనుక అయితేనా, సో S plus S 2S అవుతుందిరా. సో S1 is nothing but S, S2 is nothing but S తీసుకున్నాను రా. S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. So the body covers, this is the body covers equal distances with different speeds. Body covers equal distances with different speeds. This is the very most important new formula. Okay. Body covers equal distances with different speeds. Equal distances with different speeds. Suppose, for example, one numerical problem, example 1. See dear students, so let us consider a body initially at O. First half of the distance, first total distance is what? S. First half of the distance, S by 2, this is also S by 2. First half of the distance, it moving with the speed of 20 km per hour. Second half of the distance, it covers, second half of the distance, it moving with the speed of 40 km per hour. See dear students, total distance is what? Yes. First half of the distance, it covers with speed of 20 km per hour. Second half of the distance it covers 40 km per hour. Calculate the average speed. How to calculate average speed? This is a formula. Okay, it covers equal distances with different speeds. 20, this is 40. Now V average is equal to 2 V1 V2 by 2 V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2. Okay, so 2 into V1 is what? 20. V2 is what? 40. Divided by V1 plus V2. 20 plus 40, 60. Total kilometers. So, like this, 0, 0 cancel. Okay. So, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Now, ultimately, 4 into 2, 80 by 3. So, V average is equal to what? 80 by 3 kilometer per hours. 80 by 3. Okay. 4 into 20 nana. 80 by 3 kilometer per hour. So, this is the one simple and very most important numerical problem. A body covers equal distances with different speeds. First half of the distance traveled by 20 km per hour. First half of the distance with the speed is what? 20 km per hour. Second half, it traveling with speed of 40 km per hour. How to calculate average speed? Like this. 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Suppose, dear students, body covers equal distances with different speeds. Suppose total distance is divided into 2 parts. Suppose 3 parts. Suppose 3 parts. So this is 3 parts. Equal distances with different speeds. V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. 3 parts. That is S by 3, S by 3, S by 3. This is S by 3. This is S by 3. This is also S by 3. S by 3. A total distance. That is, it covers first S by 3 distance, V1 speed. Second S by 3 distance, V2 speed. Third S by 3 distance, V3 speed. Now, how to calculate average speed? V average is equal to 3 V1 V2 V3 divided by V1 V2 plus V2 V3 plus V3 V1. So this is the formula. Same manner, like this. So V average is equal to 3 V1 V2 V3 divided by V1 V2 plus V2 V3 plus V3 V1. This is the another case. Okay. So a body covering different distances with different speeds, and also a body covering equal distances with different speeds. Equal distances with different speeds, like this. Okay. This is case 2. Case 2. Okay, Nana? Next one. Next one is speed, velocity. Velocity. What is meant by velocity? Represent letter same, like this. Velocity is a vector, so V bar. V bar. Velocity. What is meant by velocity? Actually, distance is nothing. Actually, speed is nothing but distance by time taken. Velocity is nothing but displacement by time taken. Displacement is vector, so velocity also vector. So simply the rate of displacement. The rate of displacement of the body is called velocity. So rate means what? Time. Simply velocity is equal to displacement by displacement by time taken. SI system meter per second same. Speed ke undana velocity kuda same SI units, but velocity is a vector, speed is a scalar. So velocity is equal to displacement by time taken, because displacement is what? It is a vector quantity. So it's having both magnitude and direction. Velocity having both magnitude and direction. So there is nothing but simply velocity. Velocity means the rate of displacement of the body is called velocity, or simply displacement by time taken is nothing but velocity. Velocity. Okay. See, different types of velocities. First one, uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. If the body is said to be uniform velocity, body covers equal displacements in equal interval of time. That is nothing but simply uniform velocity. Body covers same. Body covers equal displacements in a equal interval of time. Equal intervals of time. That is nothing but uniform velocity. So uniform velocity means velocity of the body remains constant after 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, whatever it. Uniform, that is same. So uniform velocity means body covers equal displacements in equal interval of time. Same like uniform speed. So suppose, dear students, after 1 second it will travel a displacement is nothing but what? So for example 2 meter. After next 1 second 4 meter. Of course that is also 2. From the beginning 4. Okay, next 1 second it travels again 2 meter. Next 1 second it travels again 2 meter. So in every second it will travel by 2 meter only. So that is uniform velocity means body covers equal displacements in equal interval of time. So graphically like this, it is a straight line. Like this, it is a straight line from the origin. Okay, this is time, this is displacement. So for example 1 second ఎంత పోయిందరా 2 meter పోయింది. Next 1 second ఎంత ట్రావెల్ చేసిందిరా? This is 2 seconds. This is what? 2 seconds na. So next 1 second ఎంత పోయిందిరా? అంటే 4. నెక్స్ట్ అంటే గ్యాప్ వచ్చి 2 కదా. కరెక్ట్గా అది ఫస్ట్ 1 సెకండ్లో 2 పోయింది, 2 meters ట్రావెల్ చేసింది. ఆ 2 డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ వచ్చి 2 ఉంది. సరే నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో 1 సెకండ్లో గ్యాప్ ఇంకో 2 పోయింది. సేమ్ అట్లా యూనిఫామ్గా ఫస్ట్ 1 సెకండ్లో 2 meter పోతే నెక్స్ట్ 1 సెకండ్లో కూడా నెక్స్ట్ 2 meters పోయింది. ఓకేనా, 6 meter ట్రావెల్ చేయలేదు. ఈక్వల్ టైం ఇంటర్వల్లో ఈక్వల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ చేస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ. బాడీ కవర్స్ ఈక్వల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఇన్ ఈక్వల్ ఇంటర్వల్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ. See dear students, velocity may be negative or positive or equal to 0, but speed always positive. In some situations, actually speed equal or greater than velocity. Speed అనేది అయితే velocity ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి లేదా గ్రేటర్ దానే ఉండాలి, కానీ స్పీడ్ అనేది వెలాసిటీ కన్నా ఎప్పుడు తక్కువ ఉండదు నాన్న. వెలాసిటీ ఆల్సో, వెలాసిటీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్పీడ్ ఆర్ వెలాసిటీ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్పీడ్. వెలాసిటీ నెవర్ బీ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ స్పీడ్. వెలాసిటీ అనేది స్పీడ్ కన్నా ఎప్పుడు కూడా జాస్తి ఉండదు. ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ స్పీడ్ అనేది డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం. డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ కన్నా జాస్తి ఉంటుంది, ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఉంటుంది, అంతేగాని తక్కువ ఉండదు ఎప్పుడు కూడా. డిస్టెన్స్ నెవర్ బి జీరో. డిస్టెన్స్ మే ఈక్వల్ టు డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్. దట్స్ వై సేమ్ velocity also, velocity may equal to speed or less than speed. Okay, less than speed ఉంటుంది velocity. So uniform velocity means if the body is said to be uniform velocity, the body covers equal displacements in equal interval of time. So that is nothing but uniform velocity. That is nothing but what? Uniform velocity. Okay. Next variable velocity. Next ఏంటన్నా variable velocity. Variable velocity. Variable velocity. If the body is said to be variable velocity, the body covers unequal displacements in equal interval of time. Body covers unequal displacements in equal interval of time. That is nothing but variable velocity. Variable velocity. Suppose, dear students, the body, let us consider a body. Initially at A, after 1 second it travels 2 meters. Next 1 second it travels 6 meters. Next 1 second it travels 10 meters. Next 1 second it travels 15 meters. So unequal displacements in equal interval of time. That is nothing but variable velocity. That is nothing but what? Variable velocity. Okay. So variable velocity. So like this, graphically, like this is the graph. Variable velocity. Velocity. So like this increases in every seconds. So variable velocities. That is displacement is changes. So variable velocity is what? The body covers unequal displacements in equal interval of time. That is nothing but variable velocity. Next one is average velocity. Average velocity. Average. Average velocity. Okay, students. Average velocity means total displacement by total time taken. Simply that is average velocity. So average velocity means V average is equal to total displacement by total time taken. Total time. So SI unit is meter per second. Same, meter per second. Average velocity means total displacement traveled by the body to that total time taken is nothing but average velocity. Average velocity, students. So now V average is equal to delta x by delta t. So that is final displacement minus initial displacement by t2 minus t1. Delta x means what? Delta x, students. x2 minus x1 by t2 minus t1. t2 minus so difference of time intervals, difference of displacements. Okay, that is what average velocity. See dear students, suppose the body initially at t equal to 0 time interval. After 5 seconds, it travels 10 meters. Okay, it travels total distance is what? 10 meters. This is x1 equal to 0, x2 is equal to what? 10 meters. So V average is equal to x2 is what? 10 minus 0 by t2. t1 is what? 0. t2 is what? 5. 5 minus 0. That is 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 meter per second. Average velocity ఎంత యావరేజ్తో పోయింది అనేది 2 meter per second తో ట్రావెల్ చేసుకుంటూ పోయింది. Okay, this is average velocity. Simply average velocity. Okay, now instantaneous velocity. This is the important one, Nana. Instantaneous velocity and instantaneous speed. simple and very most important. Instantaneous speed. First of all, speed. Instantaneous speed means simply, generally speed is what? Distance traveled by body in a given time interval. That is nothing but speed. Instantaneous speed. So, if the body is said to be instantaneous speed, or instantaneous speed means distance traveled by the body at that instant of time or given interval of time. ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో అది ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేసింది ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్ మీన్స్ వాట్? సో ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్. సో ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్ మీన్స్ సింప్లీ distance traveled by the body in that time interval. In that time interval. So distance traveled by the body. Distance traveled by the body. Traveled by the body in given interval of time, or a distance traveled by the body at that instant of time. At that instant of time. అంటే ఇక్కడ నాన్న ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేసింది. సపోజ్ నాన్న దిస్ ఈస్ ద A to B. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ బై ద బాడీ. సపోజ్ బాడీ ఇట్లా మూవ్ అవుతుంది నాన్న. ఇట్లా మూవ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంది, P అనే పాయింట్ తీసుకున్నాము. P అనే పాయింట్. ఓకే, ఈ P అనే పాయింట్ క్రాస్ అవ్వడానికి బాడీకి ఎంత టైం పట్టింది? ఎట్ దట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ పాత్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ? ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇన్స్టాంటానియస్ at that instant of time. Instantaneous means at that spot of time, at that instant of time. ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైం ఇంటర్వెల్లో ఎంత స్పీడ్తో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది అనేది మనకి ఇన్స్టాంటానియస్ టైం ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇగో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి, నేను టైం ఇంటర్వెల్ ఇది ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక బాడీ 100 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్తో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది. లెట్ us కన్సిడర్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ స్పీడ్ 100 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ మూవింగ్ అలాంగ్ లెవెల్ ట్రాక్ A to B వెళ్తున్నాను. ఈ P అనే పాయింట్ క్రాస్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఈ P అనే పాయింట్ ఎంత టైంలో క్రాస్ అయింది? సపోజ్ 0.05 సెకండ్లో ఈ P అనే పాయింట్ క్రాస్ అయింది. P అనే పాయింట్ క్రాస్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు దాని స్పీడ్ ఎంత ఉంది? అదే ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్. ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో వెళ్ళిపోయింది, అది క్రాస్ చేసుకుంది. అంటే టీ టైం, సో టీ వాల్యూ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 0, డెల్టా టీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 0. ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ టైం ఇంటర్వెల్లో ఈ P అనే పాయింట్ క్రాస్ చేసింది. P అనే పాయింట్ క్రాస్ చేసేటప్పుడు దానికి ఎంత స్పీడ్ ఉందో దాన్నే మనం ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్ అంటాం. ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్ మీన్స్ వాట్? Distance traveled by the body at that given instant of time, at that particular time interval. So distance traveled by the body at that instant of time is nothing but instantaneous speed. So in this case, limit delta t almost 0, delta x by delta t. This is nothing but instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed means limit delta t tends to 0, time value almost 0, fraction of time interval లో ఈ పాయింట్ P అనే పాయింట్ కవర్ చేసింది. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్. డెల్టా ఎక్స్ బై డెల్టా టీ వాల్యూ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 0 అన్నమాట. అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 0 కాదు, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 0.00001 సెకండ్. ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైం ఇంటర్వెల్లో ఎంత స్పీడ్తో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుందో మనం దాన్ని ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్ అంటాం. ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్ ఈజ్ calculated by which device? Odometer. సో మనం వెహికల్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే కదా హైవేలో మనకి వాడు మ్యాక్సిమం లిమిట్ పెట్టుంటాడు, 80 km/h కన్నా కూడా వెళ్ళకూడదు. వాడు ఒక్కోసారి 100 స్పీడ్ వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. అక్కడ ఓడోమీటర్ పెట్టుంటారు పోల్కి, అది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేసి వీడు 100 మీటర్తో వెళ్తాడు కాబట్టి వీడికి ఫైన్ అప్లై అవుతుంది, ఫైన్ వేసేస్తారు అనమాట. సో దట్ ఈస్ విచ్ డివైస్ టు మెజర్ ద ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్? ఓడోమీటర్. అంటే ఆ టైంలో ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడైతే ఓడోమీటర్ ఏ పోల్కి అయితే ఫిక్స్ చేశారో ఆ పోల్ క్రాస్ చేసేటప్పుడు అది ఎంత స్పీడ్తో వెళ్ళింది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేస్తున్నాం ఇమీడియట్గా. సో వీడు ఇంత స్పీడ్తో వెళ్ళాడు, క్రాస్ చేసుకెళ్ళాడు, ఐడెంటిఫై చేసిన ఓడోమీటర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ డివైస్ టు మెజర్ ఇన్స్టాంటానియస్ స్పీడ్. సో టైం వాల్యూ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ టైం అంటే మనం జస్ట్ అట్లా కళ్ళు మూసి కళ్ళు చేసినప్పుడు వెళ్ళిపోయింది బాడీ. సో ఇన్స్టాంటానియస్ స్పీడ్ లిమిట్ డెల్టా టీ టెన్స్ టు 0 డెల్టా ఎక్స్ బై డెల్టా టీ. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్? ఇన్స్టాంటానియస్ స్పీడ్. ఓకే, నౌ next one, similarly instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity, students, same. Instantaneous velocity means displacement of the body or displacement of the body displacement of the body displacement of the body at displacement of the body at that given at that instant of time, at that instant of time. సేమ్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైం ఇంటర్వెల్లో అది ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఆర్ ఎంత డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ చేసింది అనేది సింపుల్ డిస్టెన్స్ బదులు డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ రాస్తాం అంతే. రిమైనింగ్ ఆర్ ఆల్ సేమ్. ఇన్స్టాంటానియస్ వెలాసిటీ మీన్స్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ ఎట్ దట్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. At that instant of time, particular time, is nothing but instantaneous velocity. Displacement of the body is said to be instantaneous velocity. Displacement of the body at that time interval, at that instant of time, there is nothing but displacement of the body. Same instantaneous velocity is nothing but limit delta t tends to 0, so delta x by delta t or dx by dt. Differentiate dx by dt or delta x by delta t. That is nothing but simply instantaneous velocity. Displacement of the body at that instant of time. ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో డెల్టా టీ అనేది ఆల్మోస్ట్ జీరోనేనా? ఆల్మోస్ట్ జీరో అంటే ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో కాదు, ఆల్మోస్ట్ జీరో. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వన్ న్యూమరికల్ అబౌట్ ఇన్స్టాంటానియస్ వెలాసిటీ. హౌ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఇన్స్టాంటానియస్ వెలాసిటీ? See, so instantaneous velocity is what? Dx by dt. So like this, limit delta t tends to almost 0, dx by dt or delta x by delta t. This is what? So differentiation cheyali manam, differentiate. So this is nothing but instantaneous velocity. Suppose, dear students, one example problem. Suppose let us consider a body. Let us consider a body moving along a level track, moving along a straight line. So from the origin, its displacement is equal, x is equal to, displacement is equal to 10t minus 5t square. 10t minus 5t square. Displacement of the body from the origin is given by 10t minus 5t square. Calculate the instantaneous velocity. Calculate the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. If the body moving along a straight line from the origin, its displacement is equal to 10t minus 5t square. Calculate the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. At t is equal to 2 seconds. So that is nothing but instantaneous, of course, at a time interval t equal to 2 seconds. Okay, t equal to 2 seconds lo మనం ఎట్లా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం? How to calculate instantaneous velocity? Simple. See, instantaneous velocity is what? Dx by dt. Dx by dt is nothing but instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. See, So instantaneous velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. So dx by dt. d by dx or d by dt, x value is what? 10t minus 5t square. 10t minus 5t square. Okay. So differentiate mana. So 10 constant dt by dt. d by dt లోపల తీసుకెళ్ళండి. 10 into dt by dt minus 5 into d by dt of t square. d by dt of t square. See, dt by dt cancel out. V is equal to 10 minus 5 d by dt of t square. Simple. This is one formula is there. మీకు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ కానీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కానీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో వస్తుందనా. సో అప్పుడు దాకా సబ్జెక్ట్కి ఈ ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటారా. d by dx x to the power of n is equal to d by dx x to the power of n is equal to what? d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n x to the power of n minus 1. This is the formula. That is the formula. d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to what? n ముందుకు వస్తుంది, n పొజిషన్ నుంచి 1 మైనస్ అవుతుంది, n ఇంకా 1 మైనస్ అవుతుంది. n into x to the power of n minus 1. n into x to the power of n minus. Suppose d by dx x to the power of 3 ఉంది అనుకున్నాను. d by dx of x to the power of 3 ఎంత అవుతుందా? ఇది 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1. 3 into x to the power of 2 అవుతుంది. అంతేగా? సేమ్ మేనర్ d by dt of t power 2 ఏమవుతుంది? 2 into ఏమవుతుంది? ఇటు ముందుకు వస్తుంది, d by dt of 2 నుంచి ఒకటి మైనస్ అవుతుందని. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 2 నుంచి ఒకటి మైనస్ అంటే d by dt t power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. d by dt of 2 to the power of t to the power of 2 minus 1. t to the power of 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So that is dt by dt also cancel. Okay, simply see dear students. See, this is formula. d by dx of x to the power of n is nothing but n into x to the power of n minus 1. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ సేమ్ అదే ఫ్యాక్టర్ అప్లై చేయండి అన్న. 5 is the constant. Okay, 5 is the constant. Okay, d by dt of t to the power of n is nothing but 2 to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Okay, 10 minus 5 into 2 t power 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. That is nothing but t. t power 1 is nothing but what? T. Okay, simply 10 minus 5 into 2, 10 t. 10 minus 10t. What is the value of t? 2 seconds. So ultimately 10 minus 10 into 2. That is 10 minus 20. So V is equal to 10 minus 20 minus 10 meter per second. Minus 10 meter per second. Velocity of the body is minus 10 meter per second at that instant of time. So dear students, velocity may be positive or may be negative or zero. ఏదైనా అవ్వచ్చు, కానీ స్పీడ్ మాత్రం ఆల్వేస్ పాజిటివ్, నెవర్ బి జీరో. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఇన్స్టంటేనియస్ స్పీడ్. ఎట్లా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసారా మనం? సో టీ వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేట్? టీ ఈక్వల్ 2 seconds తీసుకున్నాడు వాడే. Displacement of the body from the origin is given by 10t minus 5t square. Calculate the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. So d by dx, instantaneous speed is what? V is equal to dx by dt. That is equal to d by dt of x value ఎంత ఇచ్చాడనా? 10t minus 5t square. సో లోపలికి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 10 కాన్స్టెంట్ బయట రాశాను. సో dt by dt minus 5 కాన్స్టెంట్ d by dt of t square. d by dt of t square ఫార్ములా ఏంట్రా? d by dx x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. అదే ఫార్మేట్ రాస్తే n పొజిషన్ ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ? n పొజిషన్ ఎంత ఉంది? 2 ఉంది. 2 x పొజిషన్ ఎంత ఉంది? t ఉంది. t ఓల్డ్ ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ n పొజిషన్ 2 కాబట్టి 2 minus 1. 5 into 2 into t. టీ హోల్ ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2 minus 1 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1 అన్న. టీ పవర్ 1 అన్న టీ అన్న ఒకటే. 5 into 2 10. టీ ఉంది అట్లా. టీ వాల్యూ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు వాడు? 2 తీసుకోమన్నాడు. 2 తీసుకున్నాను. అల్టిమేట్గా ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వచ్చిందిరా? దట్ ఈస్ -10 meter per second. Okay, this is the instantaneous velocity. Okay, thank you very much.